We've done this.
Hi everyone, namaste and welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna swatch this is like a new brand in India, and they have come across with really nice lipsticks, and I got chance to review them and swatch them for you guys. I have their 8 shades और इनके पास और भी बहुत ही अच्छे shades हैं, so I am able to get my hands on these 8 shades. So I will be swatching, doing the lip swatches, and first I'll be just telling you about the packaging, and rest the detailed review will be at the end of the swatches. So stay tuned. पर पहले packaging देखते हैं. So it comes in this kind of packaging. The brand name is WOC, that means woman of color. It is basically made for Indian skin because we Indians have a lot of skin tones in brown color. We have very fair to very dark skin toned, so I think they have the perfect shades for us Indians. And this is manufactured and packed in India, so it is an Indian brand. And recently I am more inclined to Indian brands, चाहे वो skincare brand हो या makeup brand हो. I will be doing a full face in makeup tutorial as well with Indian brands as well, and also I will be talking about more skincare Indian brands, so stay tuned for that on my channel. I know I'm posting my videos a little out of schedule because I am a new mom and my baby is growing, like, you know, his sleep time is much lesser now, so it's a little difficult for me to manage, but still I'm here with videos. Anyways, so पहले packaging देखते हैं. So it comes in white cardboard packaging like this. The amount of product you are getting in one lipstick is 5 ml of a product, and they're basically the matte lip potions, and the price of the lipstick is 670 rupees. And when you open the packaging, you see this kind of lipstick, which is really nice. It has like really nice rose gold cap, and the quality of the plastic is also very good, and it's just like normal liquid lipstick. This is how the applicator looks like. This kind of applicator is really nice to fill your lips with, and this is the swatch. So as you can see, swatch एक ही swatch किया है मैंने, and it's quite pigmented. It's not at all sheer. It's very pigmented. So yeah. And rest about the quality and how it feels on my lips, I'll be telling you everything about these lipstick at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So let's go and see the swatches.
Before, and I know that we'll do it again, so lay me down on the floor. Can't stand one more night up in your bed. Yeah, you know my hand, but it's not meant for you. It's a game we play where we're both gonna lose. I know what they say, she should walk away, telling me it's just a phase. Feelings of your skin pulling me back in, can't get you off of my brain. How do I let go? Always leaving an open door. Will we ever stop playing pretend? Yeah, you hold my hand, but you got my heart too. It's a game we play where we're both gonna lose. I know what they say, she should walk away, telling me it's just a phase. Feelings of your skin on some things I can't defend. What's the use loving you? How do I let go? How do I let go? I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue. 'Cause I know I can't stop running back to you. Running back to you. Where did I go wrong? What else can I do? What else can I do? Why do I keep on running back to you? Running back to you. 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 You running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you.
So guys, those were all the swatches for WOC Women of Color lipsticks. They are so good and pigmented. So अब मैं थोड़ा डिटेल में आपको रिव्यू देती हूँ. पैकेजिंग आपने देख लिया. It's plastic body with rose gold cap, and the pigmentation is also very high. It's quite pigmented. It's not at all sheer. You just have to put one layer on your lips and you're good to go. You don't need to pack your lips with a lot of layers. So वो आपको ज़रूरत बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ेगी. And it does take a little time to settle down on lips. Like अगर आपको कहीं जाना है, ये instantly matte नहीं होगी. You have to like wait for like at least 3 to 4 minutes. But once it's set, it's set. It will not go anywhere. As it says on the packaging, it is intense satin matte, weightless formula, transfer proof. So definitely it is weightless. You don't feel anything on your lips, and it is intense. Definitely tick mark for that as well. And it's matte and transfer proof, which I'll tell just right now. This lipstick is not coming off at all because it's set. So इसको थोड़ा टाइम ज़रूर लगेगा सेट होने में, like 4 से 5 मिनट. But once it's set, it's really good and long lasting, and it is very comfortable on your lips. It is not at all drying, and the color range is also very good. I have a lot of colors from pinks to nudes, to browns to reds to purplish colors as well. So color range बहुत अच्छी है और हर Indian skin tone पे जाएगी. And this kind of quality of an Indian brand is really amazing. I am loving these lipsticks. They are so rich and so matte and so creamy. They glide on your lip like a butter and sets amazingly. So yes, मुझे बहुत पसंद आई ये lipsticks, and I'm so proud that they're made in India and manufactured in India. And this is one of my favorite. This is their Barely There shade. And yeah, so that was a quick review and swatches for this brand lipstick. I hope ये review आपके लिए helpful होगा. And if you are switching to Indian brands, so this is a very good brand for matte lipsticks, and you can just go and have a try. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope ये video आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. Yeah, I just forgot about their staying power. They stay really good amount on your lip. They can easily stay up to 8 hours if you don't eat anything oily. They have really nice transfer proof weightless formula. So that was it. I hope ये video आपके लिए helpful होगा and you enjoyed these swatches, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.